Okay, hello boys and girls. Today is late at night. It's 1939. And you see that? Will it focus on the darn 1939, December 26th, 2020. Alright, this is later in the day. Once again, I'm going to run through these pictures, but super fast. Here I started with a really dirty, well, okay. It's just really dirty. This is a fuzzy picture, but who cares? Really dirty. Mind you, that's got a silver knob. I'm going to come to that in a moment here. So there's the back. Went through all kinds of heck. Dirty. Just taking it apart. See here. It's got, anyway, just missing a screw there, and just, that was the belt, the old belt, the crappy belt. See that there, right? It's like more, bad belt, right? Okay. We are measuring the belts, but that's what I put in. And then keep going. I took these pictures because I realized I had to unsolder the speakers to, there's a screw. There's more cleaning. That's how I held it to clean that thing. There it is, being freshly cleaned and all that. This is a 9994K, if you're wondering. I'll title it later, but so I took all these pictures, right? And I cleaned the controls. There I had. Now, I want to point out something. This over here is a 9994. It's the AM and FM version. But what I'm working on is a shortwave version. See, it's got FM, medium wave, shortwave 1 and 2. Okay? That's what I'm working on. So the two different models, same basic one. Right? Moving along. That's a fuzzy picture, but I took that anyway. Again, I took the pictures of the, well, here I unsoldered these wires. That's what I was doing. I want to make sure I get the wires and the right connections again. So here I have it, took it all apart, okay? And I realized that these speaker grills don't come out unless you break these plastic tabs off. So I said, okay, see the dirt in there? It's all kind of dirt in this thing. So here's the front of it. It got showered in the tub. And then just more detail. These all came apart. Alright, the grills fall out, and then now, this is something I did. I wanted to paint the grills, so I did. I did that, okay, and then I did that, okay, tear off a little piece of paper and stick it on there to close off the gap, and, keep the silver, right, and the black, and they repainted everything, okay, so, nicely painted. And now we're putting it back together. We have adjusted the speed control by that there. And there's a picture of the motor. It's a T1 whatever. Okay. This is a good motor, but in the 94K. But in this model here, this one works very well, but it needs a motor, as you cannot rotate the speed fast enough to play it at the proper speed. It's simply an old motor. It works great, does not eat the tape at all. Alright? Now, this example here is in great physical condition. I did take out most of the things. You'll notice it's missing the one screw. It was missing the one screw when I got it. So, anyway. Moving along. These are the last few pictures I took just now. And that should be it. That was sold. Goodbye. Okay, so what I want to do is now I want to take the camera off the tripod and wide it out. Okay, you can see me. I got my headlight on. Alright, so now we're going to go take this off here, rotate this around. If you're interested in buying this, I want to show you a few key features it has that you may not be interested in. Okay, first of all, this is broke. This is a pylon. You put a screw in there and it attaches, well, where does it attach? Oh gosh, it goes there. That's where it goes, right there on that piece right there. This matches on there, okay? So that's broke. Okay, that's one thing broken. The next thing is broken, which is a two-parter, okay, is the tuning knob. It's broken. See how it's broken like that? And the piece for it I found inside. Alright, there's the little piece that goes to the tuning knob. I could probably glue that on there, but the reason why that's broken is because I want to show this to you. The only way to show it is from the inside. Now, the tuner tunes, okay, but this is bent, okay? This is bent. That's a brass, and I'm not about to sit here and try to unbend this because I don't know how I can unbend this or even get this out of this container to unbend this. So I'm not even going to try. So you've got a nice big hole for the tuning knob to come out of. So that's all I wanted to show you here is that this, while it does work, oh that's right, let's play it some, okay? I was playing this one here with a tape in the hopes of it would go faster over time because it hasn't been played in a long time, but I've got so it does play, and let me show you that if I fast forward, it fast forwards, and then if we hit rewind, it rewinds, okay, and we go back long enough to go back to a song. I'll give you another brief something. Hit stop, hit play. See the VU meters work and everything. It's just slow, okay? Alright, and then this one here, I've already adjusted the sound using multiple tapes. That's how I do it, okay? And if we hit play, I've got Genesis in here. Let me kick that out. Let me take a test tape that I hope I have queued up right. Okay. Rewind that. Whoop. Okay, that was ear splitting. Come on, okay, fine. Now let me take this out of here and eject this tape down here, and oh crud. Well, okay, now I gotta rest a moment. Oh golly. Alright, let me just set the camera back on the tripod. Alright, because hard to do all this. I was trying to go through to be almost done, and then it ate the tape. Okay, so let me get my finger out. Ah, jeez. Come on. Alright, well, damn. Okay, come on. Behave. Damn it. See when it's okay. Come on now. Yeah, I go through this every now and then. Okay, so now I got that lined up. Okay. Don't get a... Oh, we're going... Wait. Yeah, this is what you've always wanted to see, is me pause and try to fix... There, I got it. Oh, damn. Okay. Yep. Come on now, untwist. Stay like that. Okay. No! Ah. I'm sure you've come across this a few times before. It's what you woke up here to do, is to watch me. Okay, there we go. Now, crank this up. Fingernails not long enough. Come on. Are you going in straight? Oh. Alright, heck with this. I'll fiddle apart with that later. No, I won't. Oh, come on now. Come on. Damn it. Alright, here. Come on. Get. Alright, now we got it going straight. Great. Now it's going to go in. Yay. Okay. Alright, so now we go and put it in here. Okay, wait. I can't see myself no more. There we go. So I'm going to put this very same test tape I was playing in that machine, put it in here, and play it, and hit play. So I just wanted to show you that this one here works fine. It just runs slow. Okay, I'm sure you've come across that before. Now that I've wasted, I was at 8 minutes, wasn't I? Okay, well, nearly 12 minutes. Alright, we're having fun. Well, I use a little bit of gasoline when I clean my stuff. I use compressed air. I use this stuff here with lubricant, right? Puretronics. That there, because people always ask me, what do you use? That's what I use. And then for cleaning heads and all that, I use denatured alcohol. Okay, there we go. So that's what I use, and all kinds of other tools and so on and so forth. Good day, bye. Hope you enjoyed. I've run into 12 minutes. That's all I know. And yes, it's still Christmas. Okay, thanks for watching. Good day, bye bye. Good night, bye bye.